Guys, this is Dr. Martin, as you already know, and this is another portion and segment of Martin Monday's Motivation. So on today's episode, I bring you another Motivational Monday, and today's word says that when preparation meets opportunity, that's how success is born. So normally when people are obviously on their quest and journey to success, they obviously want to see results quicker, but they skip and jump the phase of preparation. But little do they know that it's on the preparation phase that you get prepared for when the opportunity collides with whatever it is that you have been psychologically preparing yourself for, and that's when obviously you'll gain success. So I do know that people are obviously right now struggling, people are obviously hustling, and I want to say to you, in that phase and in that process where you're hustling and where you're working hard, do ensure that you give it your all, because the opportunity that's going to bring about success is on its way. Let's keep pushing, let's keep hustling, because obviously the opportunity is coming. And we are signing out. Dr. Martin, bless up.